Today I decided to review the top 5 best portable butane stove on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, Gas One. 15,000 BTU powerful stove. Compatible with both butane fuel and propane fuel, not included. Operates on a single butane cartridge 8 ounces or a propane cylinder 16.4 ounces, propane adapter hose included. Easy to use with adjustable heat dial and piezoelectric ignition. Great for camping, backpacking and emergency preparedness. Safety features, built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and gas flow cutoff mechanism. With heavy-duty wind blocker 4 corners of the burner head, it eliminates stove from turning off from the wind. Includes sturdy carrying case for easy transport and storage. Number 2. Iwatani. Heat output, constant and high 12,000 BTU per hour. Output, boils water, cooks food quickly and consistently. Advanced technology, allows the stove to utilize the entire can of butane leaving no residual fuel, assuring greater economy and safety. Safety CSA listed. Number 3. Gas One. Dual fuel, compatible with both butane fuel and propane fuel, not included. Safety features, built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and gas flow cutoff mechanism. Butane will eject cartridge when irregular pressure is detected. Number 4. Slim and stylish design with high power 2,800 kilocalories per hour, 11,500 BTU. Advanced magnetic locking system for easy installation and safety. Heat panel system for fuel efficiency with the maximum and consistent output. Delivers outstanding performance and exceptional quality. Number 5. Gas One. Portable butane stove with versatility and easy portability in mind, 8,000 BTU. Quality material and design. Durable brass burner head, and easy-to-clean enamel coating, as well as ventilation holes to keep users' stove safe and reliable. Auto ignition and temperature control. Perfect in the yard, or on the go. Easily fitted in any bag and easily stored in small spaces. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these butane stove, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.